Are having a training camp not too far away from here at the home of Tawanda Maswanhise, beginning to... It's a neat touch into Sumari. Leicester defending the goal where the travelling...
Can make a huge difference, and you can see that in the Wickham's legs. They look very, very sharp. Can they continue for 90 minutes? That'd be interesting.
Here is Tawanda Maswanhise, another opportunity for him. Leicester's number 17 this evening.
Training once, twice, maybe 3 times a day really has the benefit. You know, Leicester will benefit from having that time away together.
And his teams play the way he played, just like you said there. That's excellent work from Maswanhise. Digs out the cross too, and already, of course, an FA Cup winner. Maswanhise tricked his way into a decent position here, and Vardy's onto it, and Stockdale makes a good save. That is Leicester's best chance, and Jamie Vardy's unlucky not to have scored.
It is, it's good play by Maswanhise. You say, got the ball, you know, composed, looks like he's going to cross it, checks back, good drive into the box, and again for Jamie Vardy, he gets in front of the defender, half a chance, half a shot, good strike, but unfortunately didn't quite have the angle to beat Stockdale, but better from Leicester, just taking...
Vardy and Ndidi did ever so well. Maswanhise becoming an increasing influence as this first half goes on. All the players know they've got 45 minutes to impress, to get minutes in the legs, and then they'll be watching the second half from the stands as the teenager has won a free kick here, and he's giving Oliver Pendlebury and co something really to think about.
Well, brilliant again by Maswanhise. You know, he's composed on the ball. He's looking for that opportunity. He's looking for that angle just to wiggle his way through.
Just pass from Rashid Gazal. Now Maswanhise has won a free kick in a great position. Sweeping Leicester move, and it might yet have an excellent end.
Yeah, it really will. You know, Gazal's not really been in the game too much, but he's had 3 really good set plays delivery. That was a really good through ball. You know, Daka couldn't quite get his feet sorted out to get a good touch, but he's had it.
He passes that test with flying colours, no surprise. Here is Maswanhise again. Tricks his way into a shooting position on this occasion and wins a corner kick.
Brilliant, just Leicester showing their quality now. Fofana bring the ball out of the air, very, very composed, finds Gazal, brilliant switch of play with his left foot, finds the winger, the young lad, you know, very, very confident, facing his defender up, half a yard, strike at goal. So much, much better from Leicester there.
Certainly will be difficult for him this evening, Ronnie Nelson, just because he doesn't have Lewis Brunt alongside him. For the games this season, the Foxes have played 4-2-3-1. Meanwhile, here's Maswanhise. Maswanhise, brilliant! Well, he's got that in his locker, Tawanda Maswanhise. And yet again for the under-23s, he comes up with an absolute belter. Leicester City double their lead here in Seagrave. The Foxes fighting. And it skews out to Maswanhise, who will shoot and find the top corner in spectacular fashion. Well, he's eyed it up a couple of times to under Maswanhise, but that was right out of the very top draw. He picked his spot, and boy did he find it. Curls it into the top corner and levels things up here. Leicester City 1, Blackburn Rovers 1. What a goal from Tawanda Maswanhise.
Takes the ball in his stride and turns away and releases Maswanhise, and it's a Bertrand through the legs of Smith. Maswanhise fouled by Brayford. Maswanhise away from Brayford, caught by Shalaja. Looks confident enough, the 18-year-old. He's keen to get on the ball.
Yeah, great first touch.
Samari again. Maswanhise to Soyuncu. Cries from the right is to have a shot as Maswanhise finds Gazal, and he might shoot. During his time with the club, Eldin Jakupovic, but a key member of the squad and proven his work.
4-2-3-1. Meanwhile, here's Maswanhise. Maswanhise, brilliant! Well, he's got that in his locker, Tawanda Maswanhise. And yet again for the under-23s, he comes up with an absolute belter. Leicester City double their lead here in Seagrave. The Foxes lead Everton by 2-0.
Well, we've spoken about Everton finding space down there, left-hand side, and the similar scenario with Reece Welsh down this side. You know, they seem to be targeting him. Maswanhise there, what fantastic pace, got at him, 1v1. The only intention that the boy had was being nice and positive. You know, got it on his left foot, not his natural foot, and hit it across the goalkeeper. It's a great finish.
Yeah,
you know, really positive.
He digs it out, Mickey, doesn't he? It almost gets underneath him, and to do that with his left foot and scoop it beyond the keeper almost.
That was a good save, but probably from open play, that was Leicester's best opportunity, and that's Jamie at his best. Anticipation, getting in front of the defender, and a good strike at goal.
And that was young Tawanda Maswanhise who created that opportunity. He had an excellent first half, didn't he, when he got on the ball?
He did, you know, he looked confident on the ball, very quick. Nice and direct, which is what you want to see from your attacking players. A bit like Harvey Barnes, you know, direct with the ball. Had a few opportunities where he wants to take people on, so showed that he's brave and he's confident, and he grew into the game. So for the young man, I think he's done himself a lot of credit today, and, you know, Brendan Rodgers will be happy with his performance.
And Leicester are going to